Welcome to Modular Classroom. Today in this video, we'll see about the concept of tables in Excel. A table in Excel is a very structured format of data which helps to organize, analyze and manage information easily. So now we move on how it looks in Excel. Here you can see I have some sample data with the column headings, roll number, name, department, marks, and below that I have entered a few student records. Right now, this is just a normal data range. So convert this normal data range into a table. Now I will select this entire data, go to Insert tab, click on Table. It will ask me a question through a Create Table dialog box called My Table Has Headers. Now I am click on OK. See, now you can able to know the three important things. That is, filter drop down menu has been automatically added, and the table has alternate row colors, and the design looks very professional. This means now a range has been converted into a table. Now various options like what you do through filters can be done directly in this header itself, like smallest to largest, largest to smallest, everything. And also I can able to add a new record also. Automatically this will be included in the range. And to calculate the total marks, just click on this table and click table design and click total row. You can see 515 is the total mark of this total average of this particular mark sheet. And also it includes various options like average, count, 6 students is count, and count number, maximum is 98, minimum is 74. Likewise, you can able to execute many different features like formatting, filtering, automatic expansion and many more data. But this is not quite possible in the range because there are no automatic filters are being added, no structured formatting and no automatic expansion of the range. But for table in Excel, it gives you the filter option, gives you the professional format, and it gives you the auto expansion also. So when we are converting our data range into a table, it has been recommended for the proper data management. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.